another day, it's another vlog. So, welcome back again to my channel. So, today I have some random questions to you. Hi guys, so how do you usually hold your steering wheel? Is it like this, two thumbs out? Or like this, two thumbs in? Or you hold it in the center? Or the up, top, and the bottom? Or you are a one-handed? So for me, it depends on my mood or it depends on the traffic. So sometimes I hold it like this or I hold it like this, two thumbs out. So they said this is the proper position in holding your steering wheel. But for me, it depends on your comfortability. So in which position you are comfortable, then drive your car like that. So as long as it makes you comfortable and for your safety. Safety is the number one priority. So how do you hold your steering wheel? Let me know in the comments below. They said if you're driving a manual transmission, you usually do this. But I have never done that. Do you do that? Let me know down below. Bye.